program sort of like laid it out for you. These are the risks. How do you safeguard yourself? What all to watch out for? And the peer group was very interesting, very refreshing to meet people from different walks of life, different stratas. Generally, when you think of a women on a company board, you think of somebody who's done a CA or law and will understand either the financials or the legality behind it. Someone with a very creative background or someone with tech background may not feel very confident to get on a board because numbers may be daunting for them. But this program sort of makes it simple for anybody to get onto the board. And it's very important to have women on board because they bring a different perspective to the working of a company.
First of all, I really want to extend my heartfelt thanks to Roshni for her vision to establish a program like Women Excel on Board. When I came here, I was very intimidated that is it something for me? How would the journey be like? Being it from a tech background, will the jump be impossible? And they've actually helped me lay down the roadmap for it on how to kind of access that, how to think out from the operation and step into the shoes of how a board of director needs to think, what the journey seems to be like, what the hurdle challenges are going to be like, how we need to safeguard ourselves. So it is all laid out. The biggest benefit that I see that I kind of personally gained from was to hear the practitioner's perspective of the program. So that is something that was beautiful. Roshni being on the chair of multiple boards, bringing her perspective, then Robin, then Kaushik Datta. I mean, very, very rich on-hands experience. So listening to those practitioners giving advice that actually works on the ground, that was fantastic.
Coming from a very traditional working space, moving into a more, I would say, corporate or a more leadership and a CXO level space, and then moving into boards, this learning curve has been more streamlined with this course, and we have got different insights that will help us channelize our next steps to reaching our goals as an independent director.
I don't know where my board journey is going to go from here, but what I do know is that I'm going back extremely enriched and also a better professional. And I think what I've learned in the past 3 days in the physical session here at Shiv Nada University has added a huge different dimension to my understanding of how boards work. And while I have experienced working with boards, presenting to boards, but the internal workings of the board is something that they have explained to us so well with so much detail and so much experience that it's been extremely enriching.